Good morning, students. I welcoming you all on the online session of 2020-21. So, students, today I am starting the exercise work of lesson number 3, The Musician of Bremen. So, before we proceed to the exercise part, let's recall what we have learned in this lesson. So the story started with a donkey who become old and weak and he could not able to do any work. So that is why his master chased the donkey out of the house. So while going on the way, he met a dog with the same story. So the dog and the donkey uh, having a plan that they will go a town called Bremen, a great place for magician. So they started their journey when they saw a cat. A cat said that I grow old and cannot run to catch mice. That is why my master shown me the door. Okay, so all the three of them started their journey when they saw a rooster. So they asked the rooster what happened. So the rooster said, my mister is planning to cook me for dinner tonight. So the donkey said, why don't you come with us to Bremen? So the rooster agreed to join them and they started their journey. When they reached Bremen, it was dark. They saw a light at a distance and they saw a old farmhouse. So the donkey said to the rooster, you sit on my back and see what is going on there. So the rooster sit on the donkey back and saw some men are sitting around a table and all the over the floor were gold coin, jewels and a lot of money. So the rooster said there, I think they appear to be a thieves. So now all the four animals are making a plan to chase the thieves out of the that farmhouse. So they began to sing, and because on hearing the noise the thieves were terrified. So they thought some evil spirit had entered the house and they uh, ran out from the house. So now the four friends entered the house, having a hearty meal, turn off or switch off the light and go to sleep. At midnight, the thieves entered the house to take all the treasure. But by mistake and because of the darkness, one of the thieves put his leg on the cat. The cat scratched his leg, the dog bite his leg, and the donkey give a good kick to him. So the thief took his heels and told his friend that there was a wicked monster in the house. The thief fled the place and never come back again. Now the four friends live happily ever after with a nice little house, plenty of food, and become a great magician of Bremen. Hope you will understand the lesson, students. Now come to the meaning of new words. Starve means without food, hungry. Winning means complaining tearfully. Chased means go after. Rooster means cook. Mistress means a woman, head of a house. That's all word meaning I explained while explaining the lesson to you. A peep, a look through a small opening secretly. In a small hole you can see through that small hole. Scare means cause fear in. When you are in a fear. Bray means sound made by a donkey. Woofed means made by a barking sound of a dog. Crowed means sound made by a cock. Mewed means sound made by a cat. Terrified means full of fear. Okay, the thieves are fear when they hear the noise of all the four animals when they started singing. Hearty means full, satisfying. Treasure means money, jewels, etc. Crept means move slowly. When the thieves started creeping means move slowly in the darkness. Okay. Putting his foot slowly and slowly. Tripped means missed a step and fell. So the one of the thief missed a step and fell on that cat. Okay, so going to fell on the cat. Flap means moved wings of a bird. When the rooster is moving his wings. Fled means ran away. The thief ran away because they think some monster is there in that farmhouse. Limped means walked with difficulty. When all the three animals scratch, bite and kick that thief, the thief walked met with difficulty. Monster means a huge animal. So you have to read this word meaning and learn it. Okay, students, now come to the exercise work. Question number 1. Read the sentences. Say whether they are true or false. The first one. The donkey had become old and weak. Yes, it is true. Second one. The donkey first met a rooster. Yes, it is false. Why it is false? Because a donkey first met a dog, not a rooster. So the 4 animals wanted to become a musician. Yes, it is true. The 4 animals reached Bremen at sunset. Yes, it is true. The thief sent the 4 animals out of the farmhouse. No, the thief not sent the 4 animals out of the farmhouse. The animals sent the thieves out of the farmhouse. So that is why it is false. Now question number 2, vocabulary part. One word is there. One who makes music we call a musician. One who does electrical work is an electrician. One who gives beauty treatment is a beautician. One who does magic is a magician. One who does comedy is a comedian. And one who takes care of a library is a librarian. Hope you will understand the exercise part and the lesson, students. The missing letter you have to do by yourself while learning the lesson. Okay, students? You have to read the lesson, understand it, and do the exercise part in your English reader book. If you are having the English reader book, you can write it down all the answer in that. And if you are not having, then when you will purchase the book or buy the book, at that time you can fill the answers. Okay, student, thank you.